A very good morning to all my dear lovely students. Welcome you all after the Diwali holidays. I hope you have enjoyed a lot at your home, right? So my dear students, welcome you back to yet another class of module 6. So in our last class, we have already discussed what are articles. Am I right? Articles are of three kinds: a, an, and the. Right? So in our last class, we have learned about the uses of article a and an. Yes, and in our today's class, my dear students, we are going to learn about the article the. Before going to article the, let's just have a quick recap of what we have done in our last class. Okay, so in our last class, my dear students, we have learned where to use the article a and article an. Article a is used before a consonant sound. Yes, there are 26 alphabets in English, and out of 26, 5 are A, E, I, O, U are vowel, right? And the rest 21 are consonant. I hope you have remembered. Yes, so my dear students, article A is used before a consonant sound. Right? In the same way, article an is used before a vowel or a vowel sound. Yes, so just check out. We have done this. Please turn to page number 4. A is used before words that starts with consonant sounds. Consonant sounds are the sounds made by all the letters other than A, E, I, O, U, as these 5 letters are vowel. Got it? For an example, this is a cat. This is a rat. Got it? Coming to article an is used before words that starts with vowel sounds. Vowel sounds are the sounds made by the letters A, E, I, O, U. Got it? For an example, Sheila has an orange. This is an ant. Got it? Okay. So my dear students, as I told, today we will be doing article the. Okay. So my dear students, today's main objective is the students will be able to identify a definite and a indefinite article. Okay, so today we will learn about what are definite articles and what are indefinite articles. Okay, ma'am is talking about 2 different words today. Yes, these words we have not heard, right? So my dear students, as I told that there are 3 articles. Yes, a, an, the. So my dear students, these 3 articles are divided into 2 parts. One is definite article and the other is the indefinite article. Now, which article falls in definite and which articles falls in indefinite article? So let's check out that. Okay? Yes. So my dear students, let's check out which article falls in definite and which falls in indefinite. Okay, so my dear students, as I told that articles are of 3 kinds. Okay, articles are of 3. Yes, first is A, am I right? Then an, and the last and the. Am I right? About A and an, we already learnt in our last class, right? A is used before a consonant. Am I right? Are you able to recall it? Okay, and an is used before a vowel or vowel sound. Am I right? In your consonant sound. Got it? So about the we will learn today. Again I told that article a and an are used before a singular noun. Yes? A singular noun. A singular person, place, animal, thing. Yes, we use article a and an before a singular noun, which when we talk about only one. Am I right? Okay, so let's check out now the definite and indefinite article. So my dear students, definite article, coming to definite article, the article the, okay, the article the comes under definite article. I'll tell why. Indefinite articles are a and an. Got it? Article a and article an comes under indefinite article. Got it? So, I'll give an example of the definite article. Then if I say that this is a rabbit. Okay, when I say this is a rabbit, I'm talking about only one rabbit. It may be any rabbit, okay? But when I say the rabbit is eating a carrot. Can you see the example? This is a rabbit. The rabbit is eating a carrot. When I say this is a rabbit, it may be any rabbit. I am talking about any rabbit. Okay, but when I say the rabbit is eating a carrot, I am talking about the particular rabbit that I was talking. Got it? So, the students, the article the. Okay, if I have to explain that, when we speak about a thing for the first time, okay, well, then we use the article a or an. But in the same sentence, when we talk about the same thing again, then we use the article the to denote that noun, to talk about that noun. Like in here, we are talking about the rabbit for the first time, yeah, so we are using here the article a. But in the second time, in the second sentence, we are repeating the same noun again. So we are using here the rabbit. We are being more specific. We are talking about the particular rabbit. Got it? So definite articles are the articles that we speak about the same thing again in the same sentence. Okay, if I have to say that the article the is used to speak about something in particular. Okay, got it? What are definite articles? Coming to the indefinite articles, when we speak about something not specific. Yes, in that cases we use article a and article an. Okay, so coming to page number 7. My dear students, please come to page number 7, and again I'll tell you the difference between the definite article and indefinite article. When we speak about something for the first time, we use a. After that, we use the when we speak about the same thing again. Okay, this is also used to speak about. The is also used to speak about something particular. For example, Ira went to the park that is near to her house. So in here we are talking about a particular park which is very near to Ira. Okay, Ravi is reading in class 6. Yes, so he is reading in class 6. Ravi goes to the school which is very near to his home. Yes, Ravi is not going to any other school. Ravi is going to the school which is very near to his house. Got it? So what are the difference between definite and indefinite article? Definite articles are the articles when we speak about something in particular. Okay, and indefinite articles are those articles when we speak in general. Okay, it may be any animal, yeah, any place. But when we say the, we are talking about a particular place, a particular thing, a particular noun. Got it? Yes. So coming to exercise 3.3. Identify the names of the picture, then fill the blanks with a, an, or the. I eat dash every day. So what will be here? I eat an egg every day. Yes, an egg, one egg. When we talk about anything that is in singular and we use a or an. We are using here an because we are just reading out a vowel sound. Yes, so it will be an egg. Give me dash book that is on the table. Yes, I'm not talking about any book. I'm not saying that give me a copy. It may be any copy. It may be your English copy. It may be your Hindi copy. It may be your social copy. But when I say that give me your English, give me the English copy, I'm pointing about only one particular copy, that is the English copy. Got it? So that is the difference between definite and indefinite article. Got it? We use indefinite article in general to point any general thing. Just now as I told that give me a copy or give me a book. Yeah, so I'm talking about any book that you have with you. I say, my dear Sambhavi, give me the English book that you have on the table. I'm talking about the particular book. Got it? Okay. Coming to number 2. Give me dash book that is on the table. I'm pointing out something. I'm pointing out a particular book that is on the table, right? So what will be here? Give me the book that is on the table. Got it? Coming to number 3. I have a dash. What the picture shows? It's a bicycle, right? I have a bicycle. Dash bicycle is very nice. So my dear, I'm talking here about one bicycle. Yes, and bicycle is a consonant sound. So what we are going to use here? A bicycle, right? But in the second sentence, again it's given dash bicycle is very nice. So we had already talked about the bicycle once in the sentence. Am I right? We are talking about the particular bicycle again. So what we are going to use here? Which article? The article the. Yes, the bicycle is very nice. Got it? Okay. Coming to the next page. Give me dash apple that is on the table. So what article we are going to use here? Yes? Anyone? We are going to use here give me the apple that is on the table. No doubt apple is a vowel sound. Yes, it starts with the vowel letter A. But as we are talking about the particular apple that is on the table, we will use here the apple. Got it? Not an apple. If I would say that give me an apple, it may be any apple that you have, right? But when I am just talking about the particular apple which is on the table, so what we are going to use here? We are going to use here the article the. Got it? This is dash ink pot. We are talking about any ink pot. So what we are going to use here? An ink pot. Ink pot is a vowel sound. It starts with the letter I. I is a vowel, right? He saw dash giraffe in the zoo. He saw a giraffe in the zoo. We are not talking about any giraffe. If the sentence would be he saw dash giraffe in the zoo which was eating grasses. Yes, so when we say there were many giraffes, but I saw the giraffe which was eating grasses. So I'm just pointing out only one giraffe. So in that cases we can use I saw the giraffe which was eating grasses. Yeah, so in here we are pointing about any giraffe. So we are writing here a giraffe in the zoo. Got it? So exercise 3.4a and the are used incorrectly in the paragraph given below. Rewrite the paragraph by using the correct articles in places of the underlined words. One is done for you. So what you are supposed to do, I'm not going to help anyone with this. You are going to do this for yourself and you will tell me. Okay, then we'll check out that whether you have understood this or not. Got it? To the differences between definite and indefinite article. So let's check out what are the differences that we have learned in definite and indefinite article. There are three articles, article a and the, right? Article a and an we use for singular noun. Yes, article a is used before a consonant sound and article an is used before a vowel sound. Article a and an falls under indefinite article. Article the is used when we talk about a particular thing, a particular noun, right? And it falls under definite article. Got it? Yes? Okay, so one more thing, let's learn about it. Yes, about the definite article the. My dear students, as I told that article a and an is used before a singular noun, but article the, the is used both before a singular and a plural noun. When we talk about anything in particular, it may be in singular form, it may be in plural form. The article the is used. Okay, so in our next class, when we will just discuss the exercise, we will learn more about it. So for today, you just focus in article the. So in our today's class, we have learned about two more things, definite article and indefinite article. Am I right? Okay, so my dear students, please go through it very properly, and if you find any problem in it, we will discuss it again in our next class. Got it? Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.